What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So I've had a couple requests, a lot of requests actually, to do different paint schemes, and I appreciate that very, very much. I'm a super busy guy, so I get to them when I get a chance. But today we're going to be trying to create Chad Little. Now, everybody, when they think of Chad Little, think of the 97 John Deere car that he ran. I think we're going to have a little bit of difficulty creating that car, but I'm going to give it a whirl. Do not forget, guys, that the best thing that you guys can do to support the channel is give this video a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and join us on our journey to 10,000 subscribers. So, first thing being first, let's go to the number 97. I think I'm going to have a hell of a time trying to create this car, so I'm going to create probably my own different variation of this. So just bear with me, it's not going to be spot on, but there are a couple older paint schemes that I would also like to recreate. My son is in the living room and he is ramped up and ready to roll to try to mess me up while I'm creating this. So our number fill, we're going to make our number fill yellow. So we're going to do that. Now, I already changed it to a Ford. Now this is where it becomes difficult because it truthfully is going to be hard to try to recreate his paint scheme. So we're just going to play with a lot of these different paint schemes here. So let's go to green. Actually, I want to go to like different color green. And by all means, I'm just playing with this as we go. So I did not take the time to legitimately figure out what works and what does not. So let's go with this one. So it's the fourth up from the top. Maybe we change the black to that as well. Give it a whirl. Not a huge fan of that, just being completely honest with you guys. Guess we got a partner for today. But let's throw some sponsors on here a while. Let's try to find something yellow. Run the Can-Am. South Point. Let's run the South Point. On the side, let's just run. Looks like he actually did have Valvoline on the side, so let's see that. Because once we pick these sponsors, I'm not gonna move them around because truthfully, I'm really looking to try to get this 97 car. This is possible, but I think, like I said, we're gonna have a hell of a time trying to get this situated. So deck lid, let's just throw Smithfield on, and on the back, we'll just throw Flex Seal. All right. Variation number one, not a huge fan, being completely honest with you guys, not a huge fan of this. So let's move on to our next choice, which, let's see here. I'm going to change this back, and lose one, get the other. Do you guys see that? So we're going to put that back to black, all right? And let's see what other paint schemes we can try to create. Guess we could run something like this. Maybe put yellow on the top. But this is the green that we were talking about? Possibly. Go to the fourth one. Be careful, bub. And then maybe change this little one to black. Not really a big fan of that one either. I'm telling you guys, I did not come in here prepared to make this paint scheme. So I figured it would just be a game of winging it for the most part. Maybe we can switch this up, change this to the green. Change the green on the side to yellow. And then change this right here to the green again. Maybe? That might be our best solution here. Now, like I said, it is not spot on. Oh, yeah? Yeah, tell him how you really feel, dude. Tell him how you really feel. Go ahead, tell him. I think you poop, because you smell like poop, dude. I'll have to change your diaper after. Guess you could run that as well with the black on the bottom. Sucks, because his hood was green, but his front fender and his bumper were yellow, so... I don't know. I don't know if we're going to be able to get that situated. Maybe we throw this as the green. This is a tough one. There's not very many of these where I can't, like, figure out some type of variation that looks decent, but even that, not a big fan of. So let's go back. Oh, yeah? Maybe leave that yellow. And then if I change the side piece to the green, might get something going here. Still not a huge fan, dude. You definitely poop. You reek. Why don't you go play with your sister so Daddy doesn't have to smell your poop? Let's see here. And you can run something like this. Pretty simplistic. Now, if we change that black to an orange, because in some of his paint schemes he actually had an orange there, maybe we can run something like that. Not out of the equation. Not really feeling it with any of these other paint schemes, though, to be honest with you guys. Let's see, maybe we change this right here to the green. Oh, don't push that, dude. You're really fighting to touch this controller, man. Run something like that, maybe? I wish, let's see, that changes the back. Maybe we change... I know you don't care, but yeah, I know you don't. I know you don't. Yeah, you tell him how you feel. I don't care, Dad. See, I don't care. I'm gonna interrupt any chance that I can, right? Any chance that I can. Well, I think that's all I'm really getting for his John Deere car. I mean, you can run that. No, you don't like that? Okay, whatever. One of the other cars that he ran was actually very similar to Bill Elliott's Coors car. He ran a navy blue. Yeah. Ran a navy blue number 19 car. So let's go down, to the number 19. He's doing really good at blocking the screen. Yeah, you tell him. You tell him. Which was white numbers. With a red outline. And the bottom was white. And then we had, looks like gold, so we need to find gold. Gold, and then I'm gonna add, do we want to add white on the top here? Let's figure this out. Do we want to add, don't touch my spitter, boy. Do we want to add white here? Or do we want to run red? Or do we want to go back to the gold? I'm feeling the gold. So unfortunately, I was not really able to recreate the Chad Little 97 car to the best of my ability. I did, at least. But anyway, guys, if this was your first time watching a video on my channel, hope you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button down below. I got a diaper to change. I will see you guys in the next one. Later.